Hi there, I am here to help you learn the English language. Let's learn the part 2 of yesterday class. In the previous class, we have talked about English structure, be plus noun, be plus adjective plus noun, be plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. These all are imperative English structures, imperative sentences. Today we have be plus adjective, right? Let's understand it from examples. Be good, अच्छा बनो. Be happy, खुश रहो. Be serious, serious रहो, serious बनो. Be active, सक्रिय रहो. Be careful, सावधान रहो. Don't be unkind, बेरहम मत बनो. Don't be irresponsible, irresponsible मत रहो, irresponsible मत बनो. These all are the sentences based on be plus adjective, right? We can extend or expand this structure by adding new word. Let's do it. We have here be plus adverb plus adjective. This adverb will modify this adjective, right? Let's understand from a few examples. Be very good, बहुत अच्छा बनो. Be extremely attentive, extremely attentive बनो. Be highly alert, बहुत alert बनो, ज्यादा alert बनो. Negative, don't be very sensitive, बहुत ज्यादा sensitive मत बनो. Don't be highly active, बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव मत बनो. Don't be very serious, don't be very serious, बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस मत बनो. These all are the sentences based on this structure and this structure. You have to form more and more and practice speaking. If you do so, it will definitely help you speak the English language fluently, confidently, effortlessly, as well as effectively, right? If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like it. If you have not followed me on Facebook, please follow me so that you will get notified time to time. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it so that you will get notification time to time. You should also share this video among your friends so that they will get benefited. I know there are so many people in and around you who are also eager, who are also interested to learn the English language. If you share it to them, they will definitely get benefited. As we know, sharing is caring. If you have any question pertaining to it, related to it, please write in the comment section. I would definitely respond. Thank you. Happy learning.